All right, here's the last step of the Jongo project. It's going to be the group section. At this point, you've finished all of your individuals, you practiced it, you got all 5, and now it's time to move in for your group. In your group, it's about 4 to 5 people in it, okay? And then if you look at the back of it, I believe there are 5 lines, and each group member is going to pick one of theirs and write it in. It doesn't matter which order, who goes where, if you're going in the middle, going in the first, the end, that does not matter. But you're going to draw one of your Jongos, which is going to be part of your contribution to the project. After each group member writes in their own, you might have an empty line. If you have an empty line, your job is to work together and create one new one for the group project. Once the whole back is finished, okay, again, it has to be totally done, check with the teacher, make sure that the handwriting's good, everything, then you're going to move into your instruments, okay? The instruments are going to be laid out, or you're going to be given choices of what you may use, okay? For example, it could be drums, it could be sand blocks or egg shakers, maybe some rhythm sticks. Your job is to decide what instrument you would like. So for example, if you pick a drum, someone else in your group can also pick a drum, okay? Or you can kind of spread it out and everyone has a different instrument. Totally up to you, okay? But it's okay if more than one group member has the same instrument, all right? Once you get your instrument, you're going to write it on the front, so that way maybe you don't finish today, the next music class, since you have it written down, you know what to get. Once you finish the back, get your instruments, you're going to start practicing, okay? There are 2 different ways you can perform this. One is you go one line at a time, and if it's your line, you play it the first time, then the group plays it the second time, okay? So again, you play it the first time since you made it, and then the group repeats it, okay? And you would do that for all 5. The other way to do it, the second way, is just the entire group can play the whole thing with the first and the repeat, okay? Or you can kind of share it and do a couple maybe duets where 2 people play at the same time, okay? Depending on what instruments, it might sound better, might not. And that's going to be what you have to decide together as a group, okay? Now, when we work in a group, please make sure one person's not in charge, okay? You need to work together as a group, all right? And then once you feel like your group is fully ready, then the teacher can let you perform it in front of the class if you would like to. That's typically what I like to do because I think it's nice to show off all of the work that you have already done. I believe that is the entire Jongo project then. Okay? If you are not playing the instruments correctly, you will be asked to put it away, and once you get it away, you'll be finished with that instrument for the rest of music class today. Okay? Next music class you can try it again. Make sure you play them correctly. All right? Good luck.